Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. So you have to create a shortcut for that. Go to shortcut and tap the add button to create a new shortcut, and then tap on the search bar and type contact. From here tap find contacts. After that tap sort by and set it as creation date, and then tap the order limit. So tap latest first and switch the toggle first limit button, and then from here you can select 6 contact or 5. So I'm going to show you my 5 recently contacts on iPhone. So then tap done, and on the find contacts file tap that again, open it, and on the search bar you have to type show result to see your result. So tap show result on the show result button. From here tap the find contacts to rename it, set it as newly added contacts. So yeah, newly added contacts, okay, and then tap done, then tap on the 3 dot, and here is your recently added 5 contact. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.